The Pixel 10 series is just around the corner, with Google officially set to announce it on August 20th, but even before the launch, we already know a lot thanks to both the leaks and Google's own teasers. And now, the latest leak confirms something many buyers will be happy to hear. The prices for most Pixel 10 models are not increasing. According to a new report by Android Headlines, the base prices for the Pixel 10 lineup will largely remain the same as the Pixel 9 series. In a time where nearly every brand is pushing prices up, especially Apple, Google appears to be more considerate, keeping its phones affordable and competitive. Let's break it down model by model. The regular Pixel 10 will start at $799 in the US, which is exactly the same as last year's Pixel 9 with 128GB storage. If you want the 256GB version, you'll be paying $899, also unchanged from last year. This is great news for those who want a flagship Pixel experience without spending over $1,000. Next is the Pixel 10 Pro, and again, Google is sticking with the same pricing strategy. The 128GB model will be priced at $999 and higher storage. Variants are expected to follow the same pattern as last year. For anyone looking for premium specs and features at a relatively fair price, this consistency is a big win. Now here's where some people might raise an eyebrow: the Pixel 10 Pro XL. At first glance, it looks like it has received a price bump. The starting price is $1,199, which is $100 more than the base Pixel 9 Pro XL from last year. But here's the catch: it's not actually more expensive when you compare apples to apples. The Pixel 10 Pro XL won't come in a 128GB model at all. Instead, it will start with 256GB of storage, and the Pixel 9 Pro XL with 256GB also cost $1,199, so technically, there's no price hike. Google has simply dropped the 128GB variant, likely because modern users are demanding more storage as apps, photos, and videos continue to grow in size. Now let's talk about the most premium device in the lineup, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Just like the other models, it will keep the same pricing as last year. But this time, there's a new twist. Google is introducing a 1TB version of the foldable phone. This model will be priced at $2,149, which may seem steep, but it's aimed at power users who want top-tier specs and massive storage in a foldable form factor. Besides the steady pricing, there are more reasons why the Pixel 10 series could attract a lot of buyers. Google is expected to offer 6 months of Google AI Pro with the standard Pixel 10, and a full year of Google AI Pro with the Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, and Pixel 10 Pro Fold. That's a valuable addition, especially as AI features become more integrated into everyday phone usage. But that's not all. Every Pixel 10 buyer will also receive 6 months of Fitbit Premium and 3 months of YouTube Premium. These offers make the deal even sweeter, especially for users who enjoy fitness tracking and ad-free streaming. This pricing strategy seems especially smart when you consider the current tech industry trends. Rising tariffs and increased production costs have led many companies to raise prices. Google, however, appears to be absorbing those costs instead of passing them on to customers. It's a move that could earn them even more loyalty, especially when compared to Apple, which is rumored to increase prices with its upcoming iPhone 17 lineup. This raises an interesting question: will Google's fair pricing lead people to choose the Pixel 10 over the iPhone 17? Some believe a small price difference like $50 won't be enough to convince users to switch ecosystems. Others think it might be the push needed for someone who's already on the fence. But even if the pricing alone doesn't make someone switch from iPhone to Pixel, it does show that Google is positioning the Pixel 10 series as a value-packed alternative. With flagship-level features, generous subscription bonuses, and competitive pricing, Google is clearly thinking long-term. So as we get closer to the official launch date of August 20th, one thing is clear: Google is taking a customer-first approach. While others are hiking prices, Google is focusing on delivering more value without demanding more money, something that's becoming increasingly rare in the smartphone world. Let us know in the comments, would this pricing make you consider the Pixel 10 over the iPhone 17? Are these subscription bonuses a bonus for you, or just extra fluff? Whatever your answer is, one thing's for sure: the Pixel 10 lineup is shaping up to be one of the most balanced and value-focused launches of the year.